Did you get an error message when trying to connect your Google Drive to Make.com? And now you're stuck looking at that long, confusing step-by-step guide from Make? Don't worry, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to connect Make.com with Google Drive. Here's exactly how to connect Google Drive and other Google credentials to Make.com. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions and you'll be set up in just a few minutes. Step 1. Go to the Google Cloud Console. Head over to console.cloud.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one there. Before you can use this service, Google may prompt you to enter a payment method. You can safely add your credit card information. Don't worry, this is a free service, and you won't be charged. It's simply a requirement to activate your Google Cloud account. As a bonus, you'll also receive $300 in Google Cloud credits, which you can use for tools like VO, 3.1 video generation, and other Google Cloud services. These credits are valid for 3 months. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. At the top of the page, click Create a new project. Name your project, e.g. Make, and leave No Organization selected. Click Create. Google will take a few seconds to create your project in the background. Once it's done, make sure your new project is selected at the top of the screen. Step 2. Enable the Google Drive API. In the left sidebar, click APIs and Services, Library. In the search bar, type Google Drive API, select the Google Drive API, and then click Enable. This allows Make.com to access your Google Drive. Optional. If you plan to work with Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, Gmail, and Gemini API, you can also enable those APIs. Just go back to Library and enable those services. Since we are already here, let's go ahead and enable all those services. Search for Google Sheets API. Click Enable. Search for Google Docs API. Click Enable. Search for Google Slide API. Click Enable. Search for Gmail API. Click Enable. Search for Gemini API. Click Enable. You only need to enable Drive, but it's useful to add the others if you'll use them later. Step 3. Set up OAuth consent. In the left sidebar, go to OAuth consent screen. Click Get Started. Enter an app name, Make, and your email address. Choose External if you don't have a Google Workspace account. Click Next and fill in your contact information. Click Next again, agree to the data policy, and click Create. Step 4. Create an OAuth client ID. Click Create Credentials, OAuth Client ID. Set application type to Web Application. Name it Make. Under Authorized Redirect URLs, click Add URL and paste. https://www.make.com. OAuth CB Google Restricted. Add one more URL, same URL, just change the Make to Integromat. Make.com used to be called Integromat. Click Create. You'll now get a client ID and client secret. Keep these safe. You'll need them shortly. They're also stored in your Google Cloud Console if you ever need to retrieve them. Step 5. Add scopes. Go to Data Access, click it. Once it's loaded, click Add or Remove Scopes. Search for drive.read-only and select googleapis.com auth-drive.read-only. This allows Make.com to read and download your Drive files. Click Update, then Save. Step 6. Add test users. Go ahead and click Audience. Still in the Auth screen, scroll to Test Users. Click Add Users and enter your email address. Click Save. This allows your account to use the app while it's in testing mode. Step 7. Connect Make.com. Go to Make.com and now let's set up the Google Drive Upload File module again. Click the module. Name your connection. I usually use the username of my Gmail address, so I can easily remember which account it was set up with. Check Show Advanced Settings. Paste your client ID and client secret from Google Cloud. Never share these with anyone. They give full access to your Google Drive. If you forgot to copy and save your client ID or client secret in a safe place, don't worry. You can regenerate them. Just follow these steps. Go back to Google Cloud Console log into your Gmail account. Go to console.cloud.google.com. Open the navigation menu, the three horizontal lines on the top left. Go to APIs and Services, OAuth consent screen. Click on the clients and open the name of the client that you created earlier. Here, you can still copy your client ID. However, your client secret will no longer be visible. It says no longer available. This means it only appears once when you first create it. If you didn't save it, you'll need to generate a new one. Click Add Secret to generate a new client secret. Copy this new secret immediately and save it in a secure place. This will be your new client secret ID. You can now disable the old client secret since it's no longer in use. After disabling it, you can delete it to keep your credentials clean and organized. Click Sign In with Google. Log in and click Continue when prompted. Approve the permissions by checking the box for See and download all your Google Drive files. Click Continue again to verify the connection. You've now successfully connected Google Drive to Meg.com.